What's going on, tile friends? Welcome back to another episode of Mindset Mondays. So I'm hanging out with my buddy Chris Stover. Thanks for the hat, Chris. And Chris Nardone. Thanks for the t-shirt. Really appreciate you guys. A couple of rock solid artists, a couple of great mechanics there. So thanks for the swag, guys. Today I wanted to, before I begin the Mindset Monday, today's Mindset Monday is sponsored by the NTCA. And you'll know by the end of this why I chose the NTCA to sponsor today's topic. So today I want to talk about something, a lot of us face from time to time. And in all the groups, I see it a lot, is we get into the thinking that we're all alone in business and we're unique. And this can be a dangerous thing to think that we're unique and that we're all alone. And of course, this is not the case. The fact of the matter is somebody before us has accomplished what we want to accomplish, and somebody before us has gone through the same or very similar trials and in business and life. So the danger of thinking we're all alone is it can be very lonely, and it can be very lonely to be a business owner. I'm experiencing this myself, partly because I feel like I am kind of forging new territory with the podcast and this group and stuff. But we don't have to go through this alone. And so, there's a great saying, no man is an island. And what this means is we have to rely on our support network, our group of people, whether that be family. And with business, we can really rely on each other. And that's the great thing about these groups and the podcast, is we can look to each other and in order to thrive and learn from each other and succeed. A great way to illustrate this, I think we can all understand, is when you're setting tile, whether it be floor tile or wall tile, especially floor tile, it seems like, and you're down on your knees, you're 2 or 3 feet from the tile, everything looks great. You're setting it, you might set 100 square feet on your knees, and things just look really good. But the danger is you're too close. You're too close to the tile. So you need to stand up, and we've all had to learn this the hard way. You need to stand up every so often, take a step back, maybe 10 steps back, get 10 feet back from your work, and look at those lines and make sure you're hitting your lines and they're not swerving like a snake. So that's the same in our business. We need to stand back from our business. Sometimes we're too close to the business. It's too personal, whatever it is, and we can't see that we're swerving off of our mark. We can't see it because we're too close. And so ask for advice. Don't be afraid to ask a friend, a colleague, someone in this group for advice on your business, because oftentimes we are too close to really see the reality. And so that's why I chose today's sponsor, the NTCA. One of their great benefits of being an NTCA member is the hundreds of well-seasoned, well-established contractors that have, very great businesses, and they have this great program. And it's something, I don't even know if it's in writing or anything, but it's the mentorship program. And these, the NTCA is nonprofit. Everybody on the board is a volunteer. Most of the people on these boards are tile contractors, or retired tile contractors, but they're a testament to a successful installation company. And so the program they have is the mentorship program. And I want to let you all know that it's available to NTCA members. And I'm volunteering myself. If you need a mentor and you're looking for a mentor, you have a kind of a vision of where you want to go, you're just not 100% sure how to get there, reach out to me. You can call Jim Olson, reach out to Jim directly, or reach out to me, whoever you're more comfortable with, and I will find you a mentor that fits your personality, fits your business, and I will check in and make sure that you're getting the mentorship you need. So that's why I chose the NTCA to sponsor today's Mindset Monday. Friends, don't stay too close in your work. Jeff Curran That's good advice there. He says sometimes people who are too close give bad advice too. So that's true. That's true. That's the beauty of calling someone. The further they are away, the better. They can kind of see your business from a 10,000 foot view, so to speak. So, all right, Chris Nardone, thanks for the t-shirt. Stover, thanks for the hat. Talk to you guys later.